CapCut just launched a brand new AI tool, and it's insanely powerful. This update can literally create entire videos for you in minutes. And the best part, it's completely free. For now. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works, what can you create with it, and a few tricks to get the best results. Let's dive in. First, head over to web version of CapCut and click on Free AI Video Maker. Then hit Brainstorm with AI. This means you don't need ChatGPT or any other tool to come up with an idea or write a script. CapCut does it all in one place. For example, I typed in an idea, the world in 2057. Hit enter, and AI takes you to a new page with a bunch of topic ideas based on your title. If none of them works for you, you can keep generating more suggestions. Once you see the one you like, click the pin icon and it will be saved under your story's key points. If you want to dig deeper into a topic, just click that diamond-shaped icon and CapCut will generate even more detailed subpoints around that idea. Again, pin the ones you like and they will be added to your story outline. And if you are curious about where any topic came from, just click that link icon. It'll take you straight to the source. Once you have picked all the key points you like, just click Generate Script. Here, you can choose how long you want the video to be and even add some custom instructions. For example, I'm writing, include hook in first 10 seconds so it is engaging as much as possible. Pick your desired duration and hit Generate. CapCut will now create a full script for you tailored to the length you selected. And the cool part, if there's anything in the script you don't like, you just click on that part and delete it. Super simple. Once you're happy with the script, go to the Scenes tab on the left. Here you can choose an avatar if you want to include one in your video. There are plenty to browse through. But for my story, I'm not gonna use one. Instead, I'll head over to Voice because we're going to generate a voiceover. Again, you've got lots of voice options, but I already have a few favorites saved. I'm choosing a serious male voice, then hitting Apply to all scenes. And just like that, the AI generates voiceover for the entire story. Next, we go to Media, and you'll see three options there. Generate AI Media. This will create visuals based on your script. Match with Media for uploading and syncing your own footage. Match Stock Media if you prefer using stock clips. For my case, I'm going with Generate AI Media. First, I'll set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since I'm planning to share this as a short form video. Then, just pick a visual style that matches your script. For my story, the futuristic style is more than perfect. As you can see, once the voiceover is done, the AI also generates visuals to match the story. If you want to swap or update any of them, just click here. It will open a new window where you can type a new prompt and generate different images. At the end, if you head over to Elements tab, you can add captions, background music and more, but we'll save that part for later. Now go to the top right corner and click Edit More. That will take you straight into a CapCut video editor. You can do some editing here if you want, but for this tutorial we are going to continue inside CapCut Desktop. Once you open CapCut Desktop, head over to your cloud space. You'll see the latest project we just worked on right there. Click on three dots and then hit Download. Go back to Home tab and open the project. As you can see, everything is here: captions, visuals and voiceover. If you click on one of the visuals, you'll notice it already has keyframes, which means the animations are already built in. That makes your video way more dynamic. Next, select all your captions and jump into the Animation tab. Under the Caption section, choose Bounce Out Animation. This will break your sentences into single word animations, which looks super clean. Now move the captions up, change the font, make them bigger, and I'm also adding a shadow to help them stand out even more. To add even more punch, slide your playhead between the clips, go to the Transition tab, and pick the one that matches your story. I'm going with the glitch transition, then applying it to all the gaps. I'm also dropping a glitch sound effect for each transition to give it extra impact. And finally, let's add some background music. Go to the Music tab, type in Dark, and find the track that fits the mood of your story. Lower the volume a little bit, trim off an extra length, and set the fade out between 1 and 2 seconds. And there it is, our final result is ready to post.
This is how our cities will look in 2057. More than half of us will live in cities by 2050, with some urban areas growing by up to 66%. That's why cities are integrating smart technologies to become more efficient and livable. From self-driving cars to smart street lighting, everything will be connected and working together to improve our urban life. But it's not just about technology. Cities will also need to be more resilient in the face of climate change and other risks. That means investing in emergency preparedness and focusing on sustainable development. So what does this mean for us? Well, we can expect to see more innovation and investment in urban areas, but also more challenges and risks. It's up to us to make sure that our cities are smart, safe, and sustainable for everyone. What do you think of the future of our cities? Share your thoughts below.
Even though AI can generate a lot and really speed things up, the final touch, the creativity, the feeling, the story, that's all you. It's the human touch that makes the real difference.